This is a over 10-year-old Boston legal speech. Very applicable today. Let's check it out.
Your Honor, I believe a lawyer should put his country before his client, and for that reason I'm going to take the unusual step of asking you to dismiss my client's lawsuit.
Objection, it's a trick.
It's not a trick. Even though you argue, and I would agree, that nobody knows how to fight this war, we should nevertheless defer to the executive branch, who have indeed demonstrated a particular expertise. I, for one, just can't wait to see what they do next.
Mr. Shore, I told you I would not allow this case to become a political football.
And I give you my word, Your Honor, not a single toss of the pigskin. And, by the way, if one were to condemn Guantanamo, which I would never, it certainly wouldn't be an indictment of just the administration, but of the entire Congress, Hillary Clinton and Barack Obama included. Congress's silence can only be attributed to consent, acquiescence, or disinterest. Take your pick. But it's at least safe to say they don't much care. I should mention Joe Biden, because he wants people to know he's running too.
Tell me why you care.
I don't. I say dismiss. My client cares, but come on, he's a whiner. So he got beat up a little, duct-taped, sexually violated. He never should have been over there offering humanitarian aid in the first place. And then what? He expects to be heard, get a trial, a lawyer? He wants the government to show evidence. We're in a war. We need to make sacrifices. And we should start with the little things, like human rights. I agree that the executive branch has a particular expertise. In fact, I think they've been brilliant.
Boy, couldn't this whole speech of over 10 years ago be applied right now to the PLAN-DEMIC virus? Every word he says could be applied to this, let alone Guantanamo violating people's rights. But anyhow.
The prisoners, enemy combatants instead of prisoners, so we can end run the Geneva Convention and torture them? Brilliant.
Enemy combatants. Citizens are considered enemy combatants. That's why when you go into court, they've taken over your courts and administered UCMJ or military justice. So the point is you as a citizen, if you pay taxes, if you have a voter ID card, well, you are considered an enemy combatant. All of us are. So that's how they get away with not giving us rights.
Basing the camp in Cuba so the Constitution won't really get in our way? Brilliant. And under the Pentagon's new draft guidelines, this is my favorite, I'm sure it'll be yours, we'll have little tribunals in Guantanamo that'll allow suspects to be jailed for life or even executed on evidence that would never be admissible in civilian or military court. Imagine being able to execute somebody on triple hearsay or in a totally coerced confession. Brilliant.
I object. Counsel doesn't want to take this seriously.
Why should I? Who does? The American public? The media? Who might give it mention if only there weren't so many starving actresses with drug problems to focus on. Congress? Why should any of us take it seriously? We're torturing people. We're holding them indefinitely. Many with no evidence, giving them no trials, no lawyers.
It's not considered torture because what? All the lovely little lawyers turned it into extreme rendition is what torture is now. So being the words don't say what is banned, we're able to do it.
It's laughable. And then when they finally kill themselves, we call it manipulative self-injurious behavior, an act of asymmetric warfare waged against us. It's all very funny, very funny. Maybe the only reason we aren't having a really good laugh is because the little gitmo tricks have started popping up close to home. The recent revelations of FBI abuses of the Patriot Act, all those bogus subpoenas and manufactured evidence against American citizens. Maybe it's just ruined some of the fun of gitmo. Oh well, we're in a war. We all need to lighten up a little.
Well, there you have it, and that's over 10 years old. Doesn't seem to have done any good, these speeches. But anyhow, I thought it was a great speech. Take care, light and love.